On God, he gon' bring me through, for real. He will, he gon' bring me through, for real.
My life is a story unknown.
Yeah. Like I run my own damn summer camp, I teach you how to ball, nigga. I done seen it all. I done seen more than a little bit. Matter of fact, I think I seen it all, nigga. I done seen it all. Seen a bitch strip to a bra. I done seen a big fish get stripped to his drawers, nigga. Everybody got a line you can't cross. I done seen raw niggas fall a victim to a soft nigga. Ain't shit, I ain't seen like a movie or a dream, man. This shit seems surreal. I done grew up around niggas that are robbed, could still do whatever for that $100 bill. Yeah, I done seen it all. I done seen cats do a bid. I done watched a lot of niggas get killed. Niggas go to jail, call home for some change. Soon as you say you can't, then niggas ain't real, man. I done seen it all. Then that's how you feel? Tell me this. Where was you when y'all ain't have a place to stay? Nigga.
Nigga scoop hit my line, I got a song. Like I'm finna make a hit the right song. I've been thinking of a plan, X-Men last in. I don't know what I'm doing, all the white gone. I done seen a lot of money, no Capri Day. Know a lot of niggas on the block like the Kimbe. OG young nigga still, I'm a sensei. Flow still icy, how these lame niggas been gay. Oh, wing away, Kuna Matata. Know you imposters is after my dollars. The king like Mufasa, popping my collar while cleaning my chopper. I'm snacking on lock. Bitch, I'm ballin' like Earl, man to go. Chevy, same color, Kiwi cantaloupe. Hop up off the whip, then I slam the door. I can't call her, don't want a man to know. A freshman, making the honor roll, A-list debating, relating to some of the greatest. I see niggas hating, they reservation won't make it on none of my playlists. Regretfully say this in cadence, no need to explain. I'm too far to quit, I'm in love with the game. Put dick in her throat, now she happy I came. I put that on my chain.